Hey there, I'm Chris Ponick, Certified Public Accountant, Certified Coach, and the host of the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast. And I want to welcome you to this new series that I'm doing on this podcast. My intention is to drop one of these additional episodes every Monday while I continue to provide you with the regular Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast episodes, which will continue to help you take control of and understand your business finances with topics that ultimately impact your bottom line. I have many business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals who listen to this podcast, and I want to get more help out there for individuals like you when it comes to mastering your mindset. I'll be taking a few moments each week to touch on topics that many high-stress professionals are dealing with and provide solutions to help you increase your overall well-being. Because I know your time is valuable, just like the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast, my goal is to keep these episodes short and straight to the point, but full of useful information to help you succeed in not only your professional life, but your personal life as well. How often do you find yourself feeling a negative emotion? What do you find that you do whenever you have these negative feelings? Do you find yourself negotiating with yourself when you feel a negative emotion? Do you do something to resist your negative feelings that don't ultimately get you what you want in your life? You can manage these negative feelings and get what you want in your life, and I'll help you learn more about how to do it today. Let's dive in. When I'm working with my clients, we often work on managing their negative emotions. This is such an important step to ensuring that you're able to attain your goals. For instance, I work with quite a few clients who want to lose weight. When they know exactly how they want to eat, and then one day they start feeling a negative emotion, which causes them to eat something that they didn't have on their plan, they often feel like they need to throw the whole day away. This never helps them get to their goal, but when they learn how to manage their emotions, they're able to change their actions or make better decisions that lead them closer to their goal. When you have a negative feeling come up, know that this is normal. It's a part of life. Allow it to be there, and know there's a way to manage it that will help you get what you want in your life and not feel regretful for something that you do to stop feeling the negative emotion. When you can easily understand that when you have a negative emotion, you don't need to resist it. You don't need to react to it, but rather allow it and know that it's just part of your day. You'll feel so much better finding that balance between your negative and positive emotions. If you'd like to continue listening to the rest of this podcast, I invite you to sign up for my free private podcast, where I do a deeper dive into this topic on the Mastering Your Mindset Moments podcast for high-stress professionals. When you're busy working in a high-stress profession, it's often hard to accomplish what you truly want in your life. This private podcast offers solutions that you can immediately apply to your life so that you can not only achieve your goals, but increase your sense of purpose, satisfaction, and lead a more fulfilling and enjoyable life. You can sign up at financialadventure.com/private to hear about the solutions that I provide on this topic. I'll post links to this and other valuable resources for business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals where you're listening to this podcast.